This is a Brazilian baked rice casserole for 6 servings. Prep time is 40 minutes. Creamy baked rice with chicken, peas, corn and golden melted cheese. Ingredients for 6 servings. 4 cups cooked white rice. 2 cups shredded cooked chicken. 1 cup tomato sauce, about 240 milliliters. 1 cup frozen peas, about 150 grams. 1 cup corn kernels, about 150 grams. 1 medium onion, finely chopped, about 1 cup. 3 cloves of garlic. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons butter for greasing the dish. 2 cups grated mozzarella, about 8 ounces. 1/2 cup grated Parmesan, about 2 ounces. 1/2 cup sliced black olives, about 70 grams. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, reserved for mixing and garnish. 1 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper.